Hey, this is Scott Burnette. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Hey, tonight, Tonya's favorite pasta. I'm going to show you how to make it, and we're going to enjoy a big plate of it here in just a few minutes. Y'all stick with us. Alright, we're back. Let's go ahead and start making this pasta, and I'm going to show you what all it takes, and we're going to get started. Okay, let's talk about what it takes to cook this pasta. This pan right here is my favorite pan. It's Cuisinart. I make paella in it, and noodles, and spaghetti dishes, or pasta dishes. Heavy bottom, holds heat really well. We have one container of veggie pasta. We use Veggie for some reason, I don't know why. Maybe it's healthy, I don't know. We got 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of Red Pepper Flake. These are the best things if you're in a hurry to cook with. You just squirt out however much garlic and basil that you need. I'm going to have about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. And 1 container of grape tomatoes, and they've been washed, and I'm going to just slice them in half, and I'm going to do that right now. And then we got 4.25 to 4.5 cups of water. So we'll go ahead and start chopping the tomatoes up and get started on it. Like I said, the tomatoes go really fast. I'm going to add the spices. Like so. I'm going to add the olive oil. And I just guess at most of this. That looks like about 2.5 tablespoons. The basil. Takes about... just going to squirt it out there. The garlic, about the same amount. It works really well with this dish. Okay, we got to the olive oil, the basil, the garlic. Go ahead and we'll drop the pasta in the pan. Try to get all of it. And now we'll add the 4.25 cups of water. And we'll turn the heat on high. Done. Okay. So this will take a while to start bubbling. When it starts bubbling, you turn it back to about medium high and just let it sit, and you'll stir it every once in a while. It takes about 13 to 15 minutes to get the pasta al dente. And that's it. I mean, and I'll show you as it's cooking what it looks like. So y'all stay with us. Okay, after a few minutes it'll start bubbling, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the heat back to about a 6.5, 7. That's a medium high. But as you can see, it's starting to come together. Probably about another 13 minutes. Okay, we're still stirring the pasta, if I can get those words out of my mouth. About halfway there, and I just noticed that while I was chopping the tomatoes and adding everything, that I was cut off at the shoulders. So y'all bear with me, I'm new at this, and well, that's probably an improvement, me cutting that off right there. I don't know. But looks like we got about 5 or 6 more minutes. Okay, we are just about done. I'm gonna bring you over here and show you what it looks like. It's still bubbling. The pasta is almost al dente. I've already turned the heat off. I got some Parmesan cheese. I got a plate. I'm gonna plate some up. I'm gonna hit the light fixture. Let's go ahead and do that. It's made a really nice sauce. Get a few tomatoes. I saved most of the tomatoes for Tonya because she really likes them. A little more pasta. It's got the garlic and basil and olive oil. I mean, it is just fantastic. It's light, it's not heavy. I'm gonna set that right there. Just plain shredded Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle a little bit on that. I go a little heavy on the cheese. Bring my plate up. This right here is what to eat on a Friday. It is fantastic. I mean, you see the tomatoes, the cheese, the pasta, really good stuff. Hey, appreciate you showing up to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell if you want to. If you want to see more videos just like this, but better. We're going to be fishing, working on computers, maybe something with some dogs running around, I don't know. But anyway, enjoy. Oh, one other thing I want to do, I want to say a blessing before I eat. So, Lord, thank you for this day and many blessings. Lord, thank you for this food. Lord, thank you for our family and our health, Lord, and everything you do for us. We love you for it. In your name I ask this. Amen. And I will go ahead. Oh, well, it looks good. Man, it's hot. I'll probably take all the skin off my mouth. Fantastic. And we gone.